Right, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare your dahlias to overwinter in pots. So if you've grown your dahlias in pots over the summer, they're starting to look like this now. So the frost's had a couple of these. I've dried them back a little bit because they've been in the tunnel. So we're just going to basically get them ready for overwintering in the pots. Grab all the old foliage, trim it off, make sure there's no weeds in, make sure you've got a label in, and then just keep on going. So just gather the foliage up and just trim it. And just trim it about an inch and a half, 2 inches above the top of the pot. They'll dry out. You can just see the tuber there. So we know we've got a decent sized tuber in there, and the pot's kind of misshapen as well. We just got a black crate or a box, cardboard box, anything you want really. You can lay them on the sides like that and let them dry out. So we've laid them all down, so they'll dry out nice and slowly now, and they'll be fine in the spring. And if you put them in a cold shed or a cold greenhouse under the bench somewhere, if you want to cover them up with just a little piece of fleece, and they're ready for winter.